Welcome back to a new video, friends. Today I'm going to talk about how can you off uninstalling sound, guys. When I will install any app, so a sound come. Let's see. So you can off this setting from your phone in Redmi 10 phone, guys. And today I'm going to tell about how can you off uninstalling app sound, guys, in Redmi 10 phone. So before starting video, friends, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all, please go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So now let's start video. First of all, open your phone setting. After that, guys, you will have to come on sound vibration. Then guys, come on additional setting. Click here. Sorry friend, additional setting. Play sound when installing apps, guys, off it. So you can see, like example for guys, I am deleting my play it. So you can see there is no any sound. So I think guys you have understood how to off uninstalling app sound in Redmi 10 phone. So that's it guys, thank you for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel.